Tashidale, my name is Lhaksam. You are watching Lhaksam Media. As an ordinary Tibetan filmmaker, I would like to express some of my feelings to you. Today, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Tibet's situation is extremely grim right now. Hundreds and thousands of innocent Tibetans are dying in prison. Millions of innocent children are suffering a lot without their parents. Artists, singers, filmmakers are not allowed to express their feelings freely in Tibet. There is no media. Medias are not allowed in Tibet. Today, I'm going to introduce one of my inspirations. He is my hero, real hero. Neither he is an actor nor a performer. He is not a political guy. He is not an intellectual guy. He is not a lama. He is not a rinpoche. He never been to the school. He don't have college degrees. He is just an ordinary Tibetan, fled from Tibet to India to tell his true story, his real story. His name is Tsewang Dhondup.
Shondu shondu bebe chopa ani gi soso chama na chondu shuji ani tri dela ngone chig ngana chig shego na she singala me ani tongsi chabe puche ani jami kunhanda ge ngawala ani lotan roya da de yende jayang ga kukala che ramaso ngare majaba me ramaso तीन साल इंदंडी गन करसने दिनजंग को पीछे शे गुज्जे दरे पे मासिबा गन करसना काले दु ये नाला अनि ये दिया लांग चंदंडी जे जे शे दे मा उथु ट्रासे चे अनि करसने दे लांगो उथु ट्रासे रा
I would like to offer my greetings to everyone over here. It's very difficult for me as a villager who didn't have the opportunity to study to be standing up here to speak to you all. However, I'm doing this out of desperation because of the situation.
Kai sana nge dingola pobe ngo la go ya khare sana chi ja ko mi ga nga so pede ga ten la ani langor langchen din nga so ja cho che she wor ani ngaro che peba de lang go sa ra ta lang go sa mar ra oya mone sevene arilendele mangjene gartne beba phende yor yonye de takpar che bedelende je japcho je yongor soson ngi yose je yongor yonye de changmal tuji cheshuai ye pe namo ge kamsa je changmal tuji cheshuai.
However, I'm standing before you with pride because when there are many non-Tibetans who are coming here to express their support and solidarity with us Tibetans, why can't the Tibetan also do so here? And therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all who have come over here today on behalf of the people in Tibet. I know in the United States there are many more Tibetans than you all over gathered here, and it's particularly gratifying for you all to be coming here.
Tarik tendan di niye tebin tendan ne cheshu dra songutu rawa tenda chenbu shibrda pem tongchan chcha ga ne garsna chuso dan dribe ga language ri di rawa ma cha be ga kyang rimbache ka don da be ga lengindra.
This campaign is a very significant campaign that is related to the lives of several thousands of Tibetans. Additionally, it's also as per the wishes of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Hey, Nana, Karachi mera tangor. Tangi kushok songa. Nazo hako bchegor. Oh ya. Sosok tendar. Mera tango. Nacho ke mera tamato no. Dil. Mami chinko zada. Nede ro gosar da gosamar. Shleong ke ga. Peri tijak. Sono yabu je tongo je kuch. Rawa. Pe nalo le mera tanya je khora je michi manye ba marada. Oh ya. Murang ni mag. Ngaju ngagbulo jat sejun ngaju peba kathi sever. Kathi sever. Mushi trashi je kathi shiver. Changma hakko bechogor. Oh. Teda nangshi ki khora je karje jana. Murang ni me ki mengi dije mandu bachje. Rawa. Khora je so tangor. Jotin dingo deche chomundu siche. Ra. Chida che meta tanjo mara. Te seba hakko gor nga tuga.
I would like to request you all to think over some issues. Why are the people in Tibet self-immolating? It is for our cause. Therefore, those of us over here, we can participate in campaigns and rallies like these and to show our support and show our participation in such campaigns. We need to think about why the people in Tibet are self-immolating. And it is as if these people are saying that what they have been able to do, they are doing, and now that torch is being passed to a new generation. One generation has finished its task. We need to think over these things as we gather here.
Nare kati yena shusaran shuyo be nalo shala chara de senti mongos nachu shilyo be pemi thama khadi chara dela nangshik lengi pe gos pe lipe pe go gor ra soso go phama penchel tsini de yeda soso ki chido rushil tsini zida soso ki tawa lama dan dendel tsini de yin ani roi rosala matur pebe ke sade ta pa saram duda ye tamboy deno la mambo ani garsana penia penjo yonker dako mambo ke chime janko khashi dil chime na ngaso pebe sanna zawani ni manduda one tangde mandu sa tende jani garsan chik tangsana
I've been telling people in Tibet that they should rest assured that we outside of Tibet are doing as much as we can in our common struggle. And if you care for your family, if you care for your culture, if you care for your identity, then it's imperative that we all participate in this common endeavor. I've been able to travel to a few countries, and there's nothing like Tibet in all these areas, and we need to think over these.
Tamambo shemo godzane ani terin delnge kokon de chebega ne kartana jachingol tane thongmala ne kartana naso peba dan raweka rawa menjo chame soshune ka ani zomblig jako sosol ani dembe ga ani ga ani ngaso peba nala thate chenya chamala jato nora nas Ra. Oh yeah. Teri nacho ki di dembe ke mechi de demba ye se ke jeche kare insan nacho lo ngoyo mechi teya yobe ani pe nalo la manda ngach ngashi ge ani karsana soso de teya yor ta nima ke de ani kar she mogoba sebla sebjila indade je teya yo ra ti yobal kare insan ngare ngobe rank jami kunan tangi nitu jela Peba sebang ngare rana thoso ngare rana choso mathe beg ni peba chond sa ngare la menda japso menda chig mathe ni japso sena kuyana ne sawa ni remundu rowa
I do not want to say much, but as we gather here to observe this Flame of Truth relay, I would like to appeal to the international community to come to the support of our just cause. The truth in the Flame of Truth is because we have truth as displayed by the 54 Tibetans who have self-immolated. Also, I myself have had personal experience of the situation, have received gunshots not just once or twice, but I've also seen others do it, and therefore I know that we have truth on our side.
Zombie Jahoga, go to Tomek, 2GC. Nijiche, that's Cheroch, Nint Cheroch. Joa. Not so peba mean, not all and draw me, Toto Yon, which I'm just the need that's Cheroche. Jaco Shimbel, Hagumogo, Jaco Shimbel, Candid Tagona, Natul and draw me Toto Chitarochist. Mena, Jaco Shimbel, Ratana Toto over the Natul Toto Terochi, said Nerekushuis.
I would like to appeal to the international leaders to treat us as human beings and see that we have human rights. Please look at our situation, hear our situation, and if you cannot in any way give us the same equal treatment as human beings, at least treat us like animals do and give us our rights.
Pesan Zombilingo Reda, real Dani Reda Sebina, and a Tonga Tadechangor. You know, like Jami Kundan, Nacho Peva Sel, Changa Mate Jondani Segordo, Tondon Zombili and Carson, Niche de War. Ye Reki 2GC, Ani, that's Cherocheta. Say, Reki Shui, Tochena.
Today, there are laws which control the killing of wild animals. If wild animals are killed, then there are punishments. However, the Chinese have no qualm in killing very many Tibetans, and therefore I plead again to the international community to come to our help. Thank you so much.
Demba Michin Digger, Natola, Demba Jatobaso, Pegalo!